Hi everybody, Byron Martin at Logis, and we've got a couple of interesting plants that have come into our collection recently that can be used in terrariums. And terrariums obviously are wonderful little containers that you can keep in your house, and you don't have to do a lot of maintenance, but there are, of course, things you need to do with them. This is a fern. It's the Blue Oil Fern. You can see the leaves are very shiny, and in the right light it has a blue iridescence. It is a Microsorum, thailandicum, which comes out of Southeast Asia, and it's quite easy to grow. Most of the Microsorums are epiphytic, meaning that they grow up in trees, and they take long periods of dryness, and actually months of dryness, and then they recover when the rains come. And so this makes a great subject for where there's a little bit of neglect, but still want to have a plant that will be there when you get back with your watering pot. Quite easy to grow, and as I said, the real definition to this plant is the shiny leaves with the blue iridescence. And then we have this other curious little vine which can creep along in terrariums. This is a Solanum. Believe it or not, that's a member of the tomato and potato family. And this little Solanum is a creeper. It's got these purple leaves with kind of a fuzzy velvet sheen on them. Solanums are very easy to grow. This is no exception to that, except that it'll tolerate lower light, where most of the solanaceous plants that are grown like tomatoes and such have to have really high light, or they really do very poorly. And this really does like a terrarium. It's something that if you put it in your house and the low humidity hit it, it's not going to be that happy. So there's a couple of plants if you've got terrariums or you like to use clochers and enclosed areas to grow some of your indoor plants that need low light. Both of these are such. They're great plants to try. If you'd like more information, visit us at logis.com.